Augmented reality for engineering graphics. Let's take a look inside the book. Open the dedicated application on your smartphone. You have several live view options to choose from. Start-stop mode. Specification. You can see each part separately. Using your smartphone, you can view the operation of parts from different sides. You can choose the disassembly and assembly mode part by part. You also have the option to pause to see the details even better. Check each part separately in exploded view mode.